This brother says this is how our Qurbani activity went on the day of Eid. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you can see, we are just slaughtering our animals, and you can see the joy already in people's faces. And we pray that Allah accepts the sacrifice of whoever made this possible. May Allah continue blessing you, your family, and the entire nation. Allahumma Ameen. Takbir. Eid Mubarak. Now the rest of the work was left to our butchermen brothers. These guys can slaughter and dress, skin goats in no minute. You know, we had to make sure that this thing gets ready before it's too late. This meat was supposed to go to the beneficiaries and be put on fire before it's too late. So we can see our beneficiaries had arrived, and most of them you can see are elderly, the widows, those kind of vulnerable people in society. And with joy, everyone started getting their shares one by one by one. And even our pregnant mothers got, the old ones, the young ones. May Allah accept this from whoever contributed to Gift Foundation to support the Qurbani program. May Allah open for you more doors. Allahumma ameen. Eid Mubarak. Takabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.